Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Naila Iqbal. I am from BS Chemistry Department and my ID is 015. The topic of my presentation is important name reactions. These are coupling reactions. The first one is aldol condensation. In this reaction, there is the addition of the enol or enolate of a carbonyl compound to an aldehyde or ketone. The initial product The initial product of the reaction is a beta hydroxycarbonyl compound that under certain conditions undergoes dehydration to generate the corresponding alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. The, the transformation takes its name from 3-hydroxybutyryl, the acid catalyzed self condensation product of acetaldehyde, which is commonly called aldol. Mechanism of aldol condensation. The mechanism of the classical acid catalyzed aldol reaction involves the equilibrium formation of an enol which functions as a nucleophile. The carbonyl group of the nucleophile is activated toward nucleophilic attack by protonation. In the base catalyzed reaction, the enolate is formed by deprotonation followed by the addition of the enolate to the carbonyl group. In both cases, the reaction goes through a number of equilibria and the formation of the product is reversible. Applications. The first in anti-selective total synthesis of denticulatin A was, was accomplished by W. Opolzer. The key step in their approach was based on an anti-topic group differentiation in a mesodialdehyde by an aldol reaction. In the aldol reaction, they utilized a Burnham-Sultan chiral auxiliary. The analyzation of N-propionyl bromine 10-sultan provided the brylanolate derivative which underwent an aldol reaction with the mesodialdehyde to afford the product with high yield and enantiomer purity. In the final stages of the synthesis, they utilized a second double diastereomero differentiating aldol reaction. Aldol reaction of the titanium enolate give the anti-Falcon sign product. The stereochemical outcome of the reaction was determined by the alpha chiral center in the aldehyde component. This reaction shows the synthesis of denticulatin A. During the total synthesis of redoxin D by J. D. White et al., an asymmetric aldol reaction was utilized to achieve the coupling of two key fragments. The aldol reaction of the aldehyde and the chiral enolate derived from chlorodiisopyanoconphylbrane afforded the product with a diastereomeric ratio of 17 to 20:1 at the C13 stereo center. During their studies, White and co-workers also showed that the stereochemical induction of the chiral boron substituent and the stereo centers present in the enolate reinforce each other, thus representing a matched aldol reaction. This reaction shows the synthesis of redoxin D. A possible way to induce enantioselectivity in the aldol reaction is to employ a chiral catalyst. M. Shibatsky and co-workers developed a bifunctional catalyst LLB which could be successfully applied in direct catalytic asymmetrical aldol reactions. An improved version of this catalyst derived from LLB by the addition of water and KOH was utilized in the formal total synthesis of Racin. This reaction shows the synthesis of phosphorescin.